How to sell digital downloads on Square. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to sell digital downloads or digital products into your Square account. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We are going to head over to squareup.com, sign in for an account, and here we have the dashboard. Now we're going to head over to the left side of the screen, and from here we're going to click on items and services. After that, we're going to extend the item menu and click on item library. After that, we're going to see a bunch of products that we have added. And if it is going to be the first time that you are going to visit this, it is going to be maybe empty. So we are going to click on create product or item. Now we are going to have this little tab. The secret of having a digital download here is going to be on the details, item type. As you can see, it is going to be a physical good as default. We're going to click on change, and from here, we're going to see a lot of, let's say, types or choices. We're going to see that we have event, prepared food and beverages. We're not going to use that, but we have digital. Let you provide a digital file for download. We're going to click on change. We're going to put the name of that product normally, which is going to be, as you can see, required. You can add an image from here, upload an image, or browse from the library, for example, for a product like this. This is a digital product. Put a description for it. You can go ahead and put a bunch of images for it right here. And finally, you can set up the location. It is not going to be a physical location. Basically, it is going to be a digital location. Here with categorization, you can go ahead and select a category. For example, I'm going to type in here digital, like that, downloads. We're going to maybe create it later into the descriptions. Options, unit, and as you can see here, the price, for example, I'm going to put here. No need for the identification or the SKU codes. If needed, go ahead and put them. Modifiers, checkout behavior, whatever, where it is going to be sold. Basically, it is going to be on our Square site. And you can go ahead and set up the SEO and also social media links. And you can add or create some payment links for that product, subscription, and click on save. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.